Accepting at least for a moment that you're looking for the Jasmy coin worth assumption or finding the capacity of Jasmy, this long Jasmy esteem figure can essentially be valuable for you. Our Jasmy coin cost figure relies upon a significant, especially concentrated examination and past execution of the Jasmy coin, or so they really thought. Here we will endeavor to separate the capacity of Jasmy coin, eventually in a huge manner. For the most part, Jasmy coin is today one of the most truly well-known crypto projects, watching out sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, as data collected from the venture site Jasmy Mint Piece is keeping watch for data democratization and requirements to put data power in the ownership of buyers in an unpretentious way. The middle area of Jasmy basically is IoT Web of Things, blockchain and data, a democratic government in an extremely significant manner. The Jasmy bunch means to be an unequivocal player in the very fourth truly current surprise, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical in light of its notoriety. Numerous people moreover essentially call Jasmy Bitcoin of Japan. The certifiable use occurrences of the Jasmy project make Jasmy coin and in every practical sense promising endeavor in the very long stretch. As one of the creating DeFi projects, Jasmy coin is managing various drives, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, as we for the most part found through CoinMarketCap by its limited representative stock and response from the monetary supporters. Jasmy coin solid areas for looks. Since its beginning date, Jasmy coin fundamentally has shown expansive improvement in the crypto market, which generally is very huge. Jasmy coin has given an extremely uncommon reappearance of its hidden monetary supporters in 2021, as per its limited representative reserve, and by and large neighborhood. The destiny of Jasmy coin is magnificent. Incredibly, the Jasmy coin costs prepared to an unparalleled high of 49. In February 2021 in an unobtrusive way, regardless as the crypto market in every practical sense turns down, Jasmy coin's show moreover gets quite bad in 2022. Amazingly, as per our assessment, the expenses of Jasmy coin will continue to fill in the accompanying 10 years, outflanking the 30 mark before this decade's finished, as all cryptos sort of are down. Beginning around 2022, Jasmy coin's display can by and large be, moreover, drowsy, which basically is very huge. There fundamentally are strong possibilities that Jasmy coin can basically get again its circumstance, expecting the market starts to recover, which is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin worth figure 2022. As per our Jasmy cost estimate, the most especially outrageous trading cost of Jasmy coin can be around 0.065 in 2022, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. If the market goes as per our suspicions, the commonplace expense of Jasmy coin can sort of be around 0.057 in an unpretentious manner. Regardless, expecting the market turns down, the base worth degree of Jasmy can for the most part go up to 0.049 in 2022, which especially is genuinely critical. As per our expense assessment, Jasmy coin's expense could cross 1 once in every practical sense. More if the market sees a good bull generally run in 2022 or so. They basically thought Jasmy worth estimate 2023 Jasmy coin has truly unprecedented by and large possible. In case you generally have a really long vision, as per our Jasmy coin cost assumption, Jasmy coin can generally show up at a most sort of outrageous worth degree of 0.15 by 2023 in a fundamentally large manner. In case there essentially is a bull rally in 2023, the expenses of Jasmy coin could flood kind of more than our Jasmy coin quote, or so they in a real sense thought. Regardless, the ordinary expense of Jasmy coin can basically be around 0.092. Additionally, accepting there is any quite regrettable example, the base expense of the Jasmy coin can truly be down up to 0.078 or so. They explicitly thought Jasmy coin worth assumption 2025, as indicated by our Jasmy coin cost assumption. The Jasmy coin expenses can commonly hit another level this year by 2025. We could generally expect a commonplace expense of 167 depending accessible execution. Our most prominent expense assumption for Jasmy coin, for the most part, is 184 in 2025, while the base worth level can for year 2030 can end with a regular expense of 2542. While the base worth of Jasmy coin can generally be around 1972, close by Jasmy coin various cryptos can really hit their new all-time high this year, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The undoubtedly outrageous expense really should trade around 3183. If there especially is any bull rally in 2030, the expenses of Jasmy coin could for the most part take off and fundamentally beat our really long Jasmy quote, or so they thought Jasmy worth conjecture 2040. After fundamentally such an essentially lengthy trip, various cryptos can especially be at their zenith in a kind of huge manner. As per our Jasmy coin cost figure, the Jasmy coin can really hit another ETH level this year in an exceptionally significant manner by 2040. We could especially expect a regular expense of 11,878 depending accessible example or so. They sort of thought our most noteworthy expense assumption for Jasmy coin is 13,523 in 2040, which certainly is genuinely critical. Expecting that the market gets bullish, the Jasmy coin could flood more than our Jasmy coin cost figure in 2040, which in every practical sense is very huge, while the base worth level can sort of be around 10,623. Expecting the market gets negative in a genuinely significant manner. Jasmy coin worth assumption 2050 Jasmy coin truly has staggering most certainly potential. If you will all things considered hold it concerning all plans and purposes, long as beautiful conceivable in an unpretentious manner, the year 2050 can end with a normal expense of 24,745, while the base worth genuinely worth of Jasmy coin can be around 22,673, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical after especially such an essentially lengthy journey close by Jasmy coin various cryptos can in a real sense hit their new all-time extremely high this year, which certainly is genuinely critical. The most outrageous expense in a real sense should trade around 26,516 in an unobtrusive manner, expecting kind of additional monetary sponsor in a real sense are attracted to the Jasmy in between these years. The expenses of Jasmy coin can especially be a ton by and large higher in 2050 than our expense figure is Jasmy coin, a shrewd theory in an unpretentious manner. As per the new spike in expenses Jasmy coin by and large has shown the way that it can shock monetary benefactors with tremendous returns in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin by and large is one of the speediest creating DeFi projects and cryptos with real use cases. Consolid area.